Hi guys, postman's bin. Sun is shining at the moment. I mention that because it's been raining really heavily since sort of midday. It's now 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Just been looking at my emails and I saw I got confirmation emails saying my post had been delivered. I thought, well, there's nothing in the door. So I went and searched and it sort of chucked it over my side gate that goes around the back of the house. So it's all soaking wet. But we'll have a look and see if we can open it. If I go around this side, I won't put shadows on it. Right, that one, if it stays in focus, it's a programmable door chime, MP3 door chime. System Skynet was talking about them, so I did some investigation and found this one was available. Choice of 8 sounds, download your choice of MP3 top files. Put my teeth back in and say that again. Download your choice of MP3 files. Requires 2 size C's batteries, not included. Cannot be used with transformer option. Interestingly enough, I read a review and the guy said, oh yeah, works fine on a transformer, but we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. Easy to use, plug and play software included. Includes fixing screws, wall plugs and USB lead, wall mounted. Back up here. Model DCW20 wired MP3 door chime kit. Allows you to download up to 8 sound files of your choice. Already preloaded with 8 melodies. So, we'll have some fun with that. See what else we got in there. Okay, that'll be my invoice. That's just reminded me I've got another package on the desk here, which arrived yesterday, which is to do with the same thing. I ordered it separately. Frankie, System Skynet, wanted to know if he could arrange for Star Trek door opening noise to play every time he opened his door. So that's what that's about. I'm going to arrange this, which is just a magnetic switch. And it just normally open, I think it says. Connect a couple of wires, that acts like a switch. When a magnet goes close to it, it either closes or opens the circuit. So one bit's attached to your door, one bit's attached to the frame. So if you open the door, that operates like same as pressing a button. So that'll be the same as pressing a button to operate that, I think. That's my theory. So that's what that was. And then that, the purple thing should be a load of PLA filament. Which we don't want to get wet. Floor is soaking wet now. Anything written on them? No, nothing written on them. Seller, SKUID. I ordered 3 different colours. Well, I think we can safely say that one's red. I just went for the cheap stuff again. It works for my printing purposes. Green. I think I went red, green, black. Yeah, black. So there we go, Grandad's post bag. So that's just for a bit of fun, see what we can get working when we open the door. And that's because I've nearly run out of filament. Just PLA, cheap, see how we get on with it. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.